Struggling to unwind at night and get quality sleep? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a bedtime routine that will help you relax and restore, setting you up for a restful night's sleep. Scene 1. Cozy bedroom setup with candles and calming decor. Narrator voiceover. Let's start with the environment. Your bedroom should be your sanctuary. Dim the lights and create a calming atmosphere. Consider using essential oils like lavender or chamomile, known for their soothing properties. Scene 2. Person enjoying a warm cup of herbal tea in a cozy corner. Narrator voiceover. Next, unwind with a warm, caffeine-free beverage. Herbal teas, such as chamomile or peppermint, can help signal to your body that it's time to relax. This simple step can be a game changer in your bedtime routine. Scene 3. Person doing gentle stretches or yoga before bed. Narrator voiceover. Incorporate light stretching or gentle yoga. Just 5-10 minutes of stretching can release muscle tension and prepare your body for rest. Try a few calming poses like child's pose or forward bend. Scene 4. Person writing in a journal or making a to-do list. Narrator voiceover. Clear your mind before bed by jotting down your thoughts or planning for the next day. This can reduce stress and prevent racing thoughts from keeping you awake. Scene 5. Person reading a book or practicing deep breathing. Wind down with a good book or practice deep breathing exercises. Reading something enjoyable can shift your focus away from daily stress, while deep breathing helps calm your nervous system. Scene 6. Person turning off lights and getting into bed. Narrator voiceover. Finally, establish a consistent sleep schedule. Aim to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up refreshed. Narrator voiceover. Creating a relaxing bedtime routine doesn't have to be complicated. By making a few simple adjustments, you can significantly improve the quality of your sleep. Start tonight and see how these small changes can make a big difference. Narrator voiceover. Thanks for watching. For more tips on health and fitness, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.